you can see, visibility is very bad. You cannot even see the end of this road. There's 0.2 visibility for our area, according to the Weather Channel. But you know about meteorologists, they're never right. Right? Well, I guess they were right about this blizzard, as we are stuck in this white out of a blizzard. We are trudging on. We bring you live footage of this event. Come on, guys. We only had 10 minutes to film, 9 now. We need to trudge on and get up there. Let's go. Come on. Alright. All the houses are covered with snow, as you can imagine. And I know it's a stupid question or a stupid thing to say, like, duh, it's snowing. Of course everything's covered. But you know, some people that don't see snow at all might enjoy this. We have caught in a huge gust of wind, and we are fighting on. The sleet is hitting our faces even more so now. What? It's called I'm tough. You need to toughen up. Ben, let's go. I can't leave you here. Come on. Turn your back to the wind. Just walk backwards. Just come on. Come on, guys. We're almost up to the top of the hill, I think.
Come on, Ben. We're losing you.
I apologize if at times the lens gets all wet droplets on it and you can't see a thing. I apologize, but this weather is crazy and my hands are starting to numb up and it's not good. And we're not even close to home. So we need to hurry up. Come on, Ben. Andrew, don't fight him. Help him out. Guys, come on. Visibility as it is, from what I'm seeing with my own 2 eyes, it's very bad. So I know you probably can't see. I'm sure the droplets on the lens make it even worse. You're like, what the heck is he talking about? But if you can imagine, what you can see through the droplets is what we're seeing. And you can imagine that's pretty much what the visibility is. You okay, Ben?
I've been dead.
What happened?
I'm starting to get up.
Well, I heard someone had
Andrew, you can't stop at every little thing. We only have 6 minutes of film. And we're not even close. From what I can see, and I can't see anything. All I can see is that stupid sign right there.
Hold on.
Oh, I got it real quick up my nose.
Come on.
Yeah, we're not even close.
Another gust of wind. Ah.
How come the wind's always against me?
It's against all of us.
Oh, yeah.
We've got a car.
Oh my god, why the hell is a car here?
Dude, this is curse-free.
Oh, shut up.
Alright, I know.
Jump on the sidewalk.
Let's go, guys.
Mason, you're taping your thigh.
As you can see, somebody is brave enough to trudge in this white out.
Very stupid because we got a TV warning.
Let's go. Since when does people listen to the TV? Oh, what a stupid question that was. Or not even a question, but thing to say. As you can see, some people are trying to make their way out to clear a path.
We got left.
4 minutes.
I'll go catch up with you.
As you can see, there's a snowman there. Snowman. This is the blizzard of 2010 being brought to you by the Mutts. And there's a huge gust of snow blowing in front of me. I'm sure it doesn't really matter because you guys can't see. But I got my fellow comrades down. You guys okay? Alright, what are you guys doing? Come on, guys. Almost there. Got 3 minutes left. Film. You be our back watch since you're walking backwards. Or you two both can do it because I can take the wind in my face. How red is my face?
Red.
I meant how red.
A lot.
That's probably from all the... Another gust of wind. I apologize if that last part, that one part where you see my face scares you. I really apologize for that. And my mouth, because you probably saw that too.
How about it's my face?
No, it was my face because I turned it towards me to fix the lens.
On your back.
Ah! A gust of snow has just...
Whoa, 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 whoa. Ah! Dang it.
My comrade has fallen.
Go.
My brother, Ben, is up ahead scouting for us to make sure there's no cars coming. As you must come prepared to trudge through a blizzard. We are...
Sky for once.
Because the sky's just gray.
I know.
You're not gonna see anything. I think we're getting up the hill. It's hard to tell because it's all even ground now. Cause,
No, I know what we're doing.
well, there's Wagon Way.
Right up here. Ben's almost there. Have to stop showing his wagon way.
Yeah, I see the sign.
How many minutes do we have?
1 minute. We're not gonna make it. If it cuts off right away,
We almost stopped
automatically,
something.
then assume we made it. If we don't make a video ever again, then you know to pass on our memory and
how
show
would they know?
this.
Because no one would publish a video.
Oh, great. We're trudging through the deep snow. Another stop sign covered in this white wintry blizzard. We have 0 minutes of recording. It's flashing red. I say goodbye to you people if this is not recorded.